Hi everyone, welcome to Practically We Bring Learning Alive. Welcome back to this Term 2 Fast Track course. Here we discuss computer science for class 9 as well as the class 10. So for today's session is for class 9, okay, and the topic is Microsoft PowerPoint. How we can use the Microsoft PowerPoint to make different exciting and beautiful presentations. So let's start this session. So first of all, what is a Microsoft PowerPoint? Okay, so what it is actually? So it is one of the software program developed by the Microsoft Corporation company, okay, which is used to make beautiful presentations. Okay, so it is used for in offices for personal use, okay, and it is one of the part of the Microsoft Office suite, okay, which contain Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, Outlook, all this. So it is one of the best software which is developed by the Microsoft Corporation company to be used for producing the effective presentations, beautiful presentations. Presentation means the PPTs, okay, PPT file that we use in our day-to-day life to present anything. So that is the software Microsoft PowerPoint. Right now this PPT is also running, this lecture is also running on the Microsoft PowerPoint itself, but in the slideshow mode. Okay, so how to create the slides using the Microsoft PowerPoint presentations, how to create the beautiful slide. This is one of the slides that I have created for teaching you people. Okay, so first of all we have to open, okay, we have to go to our system and we have to open PowerPoint. Okay, this is the new file that you will get. Once you open the PowerPoint, you will get this screen. Okay, so in this session I am going to show you how to make a beautiful presentation. Okay, that is the demonstration part. This session is about doing the demo session. Okay, demonstration of how to make a presentation. Okay, beautiful presentation. So after opening this software, first we need to install this software. Once the installation is done, okay, we need to open this. So you will get the blank presentation. Okay, you can select any one presentation from here. Okay, if you want to make your custom presentation, then you can start from the blank. Otherwise you can pick any one of them. Okay, there are some beautiful template which are already available, which are provided by the Microsoft itself. Okay, so we can select the blank presentation. Once we select the blank presentation, we will get this screen. Okay, here we can add our content. What are the content we want? Right now it is blank, empty. Okay, this presentation is not contain anything. So how you can add the content to this presentation? Okay, so click to add title here and click to add subtitle. So from here, right now it is white background and empty slide, you can say. So we can add the content here. Okay, so first let's set the color. Okay, so right click it and go to the format background. So we are going to set the background color, or if you want some ready-made content, some ready-made templates, so go to design. Here there are some ready-made templates are there. So once you select this one, you will get your presentation slides in this way. So there are some inbuilt designs which are provided by the Microsoft PowerPoint itself. Okay, we can select any one to add our content to it. Anyone. Okay, so which one suits for your design? It is totally depending upon the requirement which PPT we are making. Okay, so we can select anything. We can select this one, this one. Okay, let's select this one. Okay, so let's make a PPT about computer system. Okay, what is a computer and how it works? Okay, so let's make a PPT about basics of computer system. So here we can write the title. Okay, so like a or an introduction to computer system. Okay, this is the topic. So this is the title that we enter. Okay, now we can shift to any place that we want. We can shift it here, center, any place. Okay, by selecting it. So let's keep this here only. Okay, and by whom you can write here. Okay, by Okay, write xyz, any name here, or type Raj. Okay, so you can place this here, and you can mention here class 9. Rule number suppose 5. Okay, okay, so an introduction to the computer system prepared by Raj. Okay, class 9th, rule number 5. This is the presentation that we want to make. Okay, so yeah, hi people, if you have any doubt you can comment in the chat. Okay, so now how to take a new slide. Okay, this is the, suppose this is the title slide which represents our presentation. So if you want, you can type something here, like just copy and paste this text box, and you can write here a presentation on, okay, a presentation on an introduction to the computer system. Okay, like this. So let's shift this here, or place this here, or you want, whenever you want you can place. Okay, so a presentation on an introduction to computer system. Okay, this is the title slide that we have created. Okay, so if we want, we can change the font color from here. Okay, whatever the font color we want, we can keep. Okay, fine. So and a presentation on introduction to computer system by Raj, class 9, rule number 5. Okay, this is the title slide that we have made. Okay, now we want to add one more slide. How to add the one more slide? Okay, so just right click here. These are the slides. Okay, these on the left hand side, these called as outline of our presentation, outline of our PPTs. Okay, that we are making. So here all things will be visible here like this. Okay, all the slides. So right now this presentation contains only one slide. Okay, so what if we want to add one more slide? Okay, just go to this slide, right click it. Okay, there is a new slide is there. Okay, we can take the new slide. We got the new slide. This is the empty. Here we can add the content. Okay, so or if you want to duplicate it, just right click it and duplicate it. Here we got another same slide. Okay, two slides are same. Now if you want to delete it, just right click it and delete it. Okay, so these are the options which are available in the outline on the left hand side. Okay, so now let's add the second slide. Computer system. Okay, so here we can write the content. Okay, so a computer is an electronic device which accept data as input and process that data and give us meaningful information as output. Okay, so this is the one line that I have written. Okay, output. Fine. Okay, so fine. Computer system. A computer is an electronic device which accepts data as an input, process that data, and give us meaningful information as output. Okay, so and a computer is made up of two main components: hardware components and software components. This is the information that we have put. Now we want one image of the computer on the right hand side. So how to insert images on the PPT? Okay, so for that, go to insert. Okay, so there's a pictures are there. So click on it. So if you have pictures on your computer system, then you can click on this device. So it will allow you to select the pictures from your own computer system. Okay, if you have. Otherwise, if you want to upload the pictures online, you want to download the pictures from the online. So right click it and click on online pictures from the internet. Okay, so this will connect to the internet. Okay, here you can see a lot of pictures are there. So just search your picture. Okay, computer. So it will show you these many suggestions. Okay, so select whatever the computer that you want and click on insert. Okay, so suppose I want this computer. Okay, and click on insert. So now that picture will get downloaded and will come to my computer. Okay, my PPT. So let's arrange it. Okay, so make it small and place it. So this is the copyright information. If you want it, you can delete it. Okay, so this is how we have uploaded one picture of the computer system to our PPT from using the insert menu. So similarly, okay, you can insert the table, you can insert the different shapes. If you want to insert a shape, you can insert this shape. Okay, and if you want to place these two things here, you can place these two things here. Okay, hardware component and software component, like this. So you can insert different shapes using this insert menu. Okay, you can insert different icons. Okay, what are the icons you want? Suppose I want a computer icon. Okay, this is the computer icon that I want. So insert this. Okay, now I can place this icon here. So I can change the color also. So where it is? Okay, keep this one. Okay, now computer system. Okay, we have uploaded one icon as well. So this is the first slide. Okay, this is the second slide. If you want to make it more beautiful, you can make it like this. Fine. So a computer is an electronic device which accepts data. Okay, so let's justify content. Okay, now save this. How to save this? Just go to file. Okay, go to save as, and you can select any place where you want to save. Suppose I want to save at desktop. Okay, so first PPT. Okay, and the extension of the file is PowerPoint presentation. This is the extension. Okay, .ppt. The extension of Word file is Microsoft Word. Okay, .doc. Yeah, hello Victor Upad. How are you? Hi Praveen. Yes, it is work in the latest version of the PowerPoint. Yes, Praveen. Yeah, the extension of Word file is .doc. So similarly, there are two slides now. Okay, so we can add one more slide to this presentation. How? Just right click it. Okay, add new slide, or by using the shortcut of your keyboard. Okay, just press Ctrl M from your keyboard. It will get add the new slide. Okay, Ctrl Z, reverse position, Ctrl M to add a new slide. Okay, so let's add one more slide. Okay, upload our content. Okay, like hardware component. Okay, hardware components. So read the content. Okay, the hardware components. Yes, Control M, Praveen. If you press the Control M, new slide will get added. Okay. So hardware components are the physical components of computer system that we can touch and feel. Okay. So examples of hardware components are CPU, mouse, keyboard, monitor, etc. Okay, so these are the hardware components. Now let us add a image for this hardware component. Okay, so what you need to do is, I will tell you one beautiful source. Okay, so go to Chrome to get beautiful background images. Okay, and open your Chrome, and here type PNG wings, PNG wing. Okay, so you will get here beautiful images without background. Okay, transparent background. Okay, so this is the website PNG wing. Here type whatever the picture you want. Okay, Unsplash also, yeah, but Unsplash mostly, yeah, we use for a web development. Here also we can use. Okay, type here computer hardware and press enter. So you will get images here without background. Okay, you can take this image, any image that you want. And these are the high quality images. Okay, without like transparent background. You can use for your projects. Okay, what are the projects you have? Okay, so and it is a good quality of hardware is there. So let us take one hardware picture. Okay, so what it will be? Take this one. Okay, so click on it. It will open in a new page. Okay, and go here and click on download. So you have to verify here. Okay, it will get downloaded automatically. So sometime it will ask you to verify you are not a robot. Okay, so you have to click on images and you have to verify that you are not a robot, and the image will get downloaded. Okay, so now open this where it is downloaded. Okay, and copy from here and come to your PPT and paste here. You can insert using this option also. Okay, but the easiest way to just copy paste if you are in that particular folder. Okay, suppose this is the hardware component, all the hardware component that we can touch and feel of the computer system. These are the all the computer system hardware component. Okay, which includes monitor, mouse, hard disk, okay, motherboard, RAM, ROM, screen, everything. Fine. Yes, you are not a robot, Praveen. So now let us add one more slide. Okay, right click it and add a one more slide, and here just type. So instead of adding one more slide, if you know you are going to add the similar slide similar to this one. Okay, so what you can do means just duplicate it. Okay, you will get the same two slides. So in the latest slide, remove this hardware and type software components. Okay, components will be the same. Okay, delete this hardware picture. Okay, so like here, right, software components are the software components are the soul of the computer system. Okay. So yeah, I didn't set same background theme for all the, okay, it is just taking automatically Praveen. What you need to do means you need to go to the design tab. Okay, from the design tab you can select anything, okay, any design theme, so it will get added for you automatically. So I have selected this one. Okay, so that's why it is getting added automatically. The next slide. So in the software component, the software components are the soul of the computer system, okay, which helps computer to execute the task, which help the computer to process the data and execute the task. Okay, you can add one more thing. Okay, software component, softwares are the programs written in any programming language. Okay, fine. So what are the examples of software components are, like you can write OS, okay, application software, system software, etc. Okay, yes, VS Code is also application software for me. So now here we have to insert one icon for software. So go to the PNG wings, okay, close this tab and type here software. So you will get images for different softwares here. You can select any one, the beautiful image, okay, which suits your presentation. So let's enter relevant keyword computer software. Take this one. Yes, OBS is also software, right? So let us put this image here, okay, and adjust its size with respect to the PPT. Okay, let's rotate it. Fine. So these are the 4 slides that we made, okay, till now. So like if you want to change this heading, okay, you can change the color of this heading, so it will look more beautiful. Fine. So these are the 4 slides, okay, that we made. Now let's add animation to it, okay, animation, so that when we play our presentation, one animation should come, the information should display in the form of animation. So now let's go to slideshow and start from beginning. Okay, now there is no animation. Okay, what are the content that we have added? It is just displaying in the static mode without any animation. So what if we want to display this content in the form of animations? Okay, so for that, just go to the animation tab. From here we can add the animation. So animation means text will come in the form of some transition or animation. So transition also we can give. Okay, we can go for the transition, we can apply to the entire slide. So first of all, suppose this is the cover page. Okay, so let's add this one, or not this one. It will come like this. So these are the different transitions are there which will apply to the entire slides. Okay, entire slides. So like this or like this. So these are the different transitions that you can apply. Okay, whichever you want you can select. So let's take this split one. Okay, so this is the title slide. Okay, this we want to put for how many times, and if you want to add any sound you can add the sound also. Okay, so you can perform different things here. And when you wanted to display, when you click on mouse, or how the effect should happen, horizontal, vertical. Okay, there are a lot of options are there. You can choose anything from here. So now go to the animation. Okay, select this setting. To this setting I want to apply the animation. Okay, I want my text should be appear whenever I click my mouse. I want my text to be appear from the left hand side. Okay, like this. Just it should be appear in a simple way, or in a fly way, or in a floating way, or in a split way, or in this way, or in a particular shape, or in the form of a wheel, or in the random bars. Okay, so different options are available. So you can select anything that you want. So let's select the simple one. Okay, since this is the title slide, make it standard. Okay, so okay, right now it is coming from bottom. So go to the effect option and take this from, okay, left side. You can take this from you can set it from the top also, where it is here. It will come from the top. Okay, so now let's set it from the here. Now the next option that I want to apply through this introduction thing. Okay, introduction to the computer system. So what I want is I want to apply this thing. Okay, so now if you go to the animation pane, first thing will come this, not this. Okay, when you play, first thing will come this and then this. Okay, we didn't apply animation to this, so let's apply animation to this two things also. Okay, using the control you can select, you can multi-select. Okay, so for this I want to apply this wipe. Okay, from left side, like this it will appear. Okay, to this remove. So first this should come, then this. Fine. Okay, good, Praveen. So now, so make it from left and make it from left. Okay, so save this one, and when you go to the slideshow and you click on this from beginning, okay, so it will open like this. Okay, this is the opening page, title screen. Once you click on your mouse, the first thing will come, a presentation on. Okay, after that your main title will come like this, introduction to computer system, then by Raj and class 9 and roll number 5. Okay, this is the thing. This will come in the form of animation. You can apply animation to the images, to the text, to the video, to anything. Okay, so now second slide will come like this, because we didn't apply animation to this slide. First slide only we apply. Okay, now this thing is happening with the help of click. whenever I click, this thing is happening. I want this to happen automatically, so I can go to here. Okay, from here, once I double click it, from here I can set the timing, I can set the text animation, I can set the text effect. Okay, how it should become in a word by word, letter by letter, or at all, once at all, means whether it should display one sound. Okay, anything. So let's set the timing first. On click means with previous. Okay, without any click on it. Okay, set it. Now it will come automatically. Okay, so timing with previous, not with previous, after previous. So once the initial one is khatam, this will come automatically. After previous. So now this animation will be played without mouse. Okay, now play from beginning. Okay, now these things are coming automatically without using mouse click. Okay, so we can set this thing also. So this is how we can apply the animation to the slides. Now go to the next slide and apply animation to this also. So this text is different thing, this icon is different, so we need to apply animation to the both. Okay, so go to animation, first select to which thing I want to apply the animation. So select this thing. Okay, this text, and suppose I want to apply this animation, simple, like this, and I want to apply like this. Okay, after this I want to apply animation to this image in the form of random bars or zoom in like this. No, this is not good, no. Okay, suppose keep this animation. Okay, so you can keep whatever animation you want. Okay, so always make it standard. Okay, so keep this one only, and we can set animation to text. Okay, so suppose I'm setting this text. Now I want this text to be appear word by word, so double click it on the animation pane. Okay, so by word, by letter, so first set by letter, click on OK. Now my animation will come in the form of a letter. Okay, it is like typing some kind of things. Okay, so I'm not adding sounds. Okay, you can try by adding the sounds also. Okay, so how to add sound? Just simple, double click it. Okay, let's apply animation to this one, fade. Okay, then double click it, then word by word. Here you can add sound as well, like this. By letter, and then by letter. Okay, now save this. Okay, and preview. So slideshow from beginning, this is the first slide. Then this is the second slide. Okay, we are displaying the content text by word. Okay, this is how it is looking beautiful now. So like text is also visible. Okay, means text is big and slide is also very big, so is icon also there. So similarly we can add animation to the third slide as well as to the fourth slide. And when you are making the presentation, okay, don't forget to add the last slide. Okay, whenever you are going to finish the presentation. Okay, so don't forget to add the last slide. Okay, so click this, delete this thing, whatever you don't require, just delete it. Okay, and place this to center and add a thank you here. Okay, with this you can add any animation, any like emojis also. Okay, and any gif also, any image also, whatever the thing that you want, you can add here, and you can apply the animations. and you can set the timings which thing is going to play first. Okay, so Microsoft is about making the very good presentations, okay, for not only for the personal use, for the professional purpose also. Many people use Microsoft in their offices for the business purposes. Okay, making the good presentation and presenting in front of the client, in front of the business people. Okay, so Microsoft contains a lot of things. We can create beautiful lessons here. Okay, we can record our video. Okay, using this record option, we can embed video, we can embed audio, we can do multiple things here. We can using this insert, we can insert graph chart. Okay, we can insert graph chart, we can insert tables, we can insert pictures, we can insert different shapes, we can insert small charts to represent our data. Okay, we can insert chart here. So these things look similar to the what are the things which are available in the Microsoft Word. Okay, so some of the things are same here. Okay, we can add these things, we can zoom in, zoom out. Okay, we can add like additional modules also. In the draw section, we can draw. Okay, we can draw shapes, the required shapes. In the insert section, we can add the shapes from here. Different shapes are available. Okay, so that we need to set Praveen, that we need to set from this where it is, using this layout option. Okay, so once we set it using the master slide, then we can get the same layout. Okay, so we need to design that. Using this slide manager, or and from here right click, you can always format the background. Okay, from here you can solid fill, you can select the pictures, you can upload your picture, you can fill it pattern, different patterns are available. You can fill the single color that you want. Okay, using the pattern you can select the different colors, or if you want to upload a picture, you can upload a picture from here, from your computer system as a background. Okay, so to get the background like we set in the practically, okay, we need to set it using the master slide. Okay, we can undo from here also, fine. So these are the outlines. Okay, these now contain the 5 slides. Okay, so you can make as many slides that you want, and you can shift slides from here. Okay, from here to here, just replace the positions from here to here like this. It is very simple. Okay, you can copy also, you can delete also. Okay, and from here, if you want to add some more information about your slide as the form of notes, so you can add the notes here. Okay, means you go this one and this one, you can add the notes here, whatever you want. In case you are forgetting and you want to explain some more things, you can add the notes here, and from here you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, and from here you can play the slideshow. Okay, now slides, we are in the slideshow mode. Okay, and when you are explaining something, you can always go to the pin mode and you can start writing by selecting the different colors here. Okay, I think you saw this practically teachers explain this by using this. Okay, from here you can always go back and forward. Okay, and from here you can go to the reading mode. It will save your, it will protect your eyes if you go to the reading mode. Okay, so if you want to exit, okay, fine. So there are a lot more things which are available in the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so this was the basic thing, basic information that how you can prepare the basic slides. Okay, so and one more thing is you can download the external templates also. Okay, there are a lot of templates are available here. You can use any of the templates here. You can go to the Google and search templates. Okay, PowerPoint presentation templates. So some beautiful templates are available here, beautiful designs. you can download them and open with your with your PowerPoint software, and you can add your content. So these are some ready-made templates are available. Okay, people posted here. You can download anyone. You can go to the edit and you can edit your information. So these are the beautiful. So whatever you want, you can download and edit that. So if you want to present something for the business purposes, okay, these are the templates. So this is our presentation, right? Practically. So I hope you like this video, okay, today's lecture. So in the next lecture for class 9th, we are going to discuss Microsoft Excel, okay, how we can use the Microsoft Excel for performing different operations, mathematical operations especially. So now the quiz time. If you know the answers, comment the answers in the chat, okay. So what is a Microsoft PowerPoint? So a spreadsheet program, presentation program, database program, or all of the above? So Praveen, if you are there, you can comment the answer in the chat. Okay, option B, presentation program. Okay, good. So which of the following is the file extension of the PowerPoint application? Okay, .ppt, .jpg, .html, or .docs. Docs not should be .doc. Okay. So what is the correct extension? Okay, .ppt, very good. So which of the following is the default standard layout in the PowerPoint? So blank slide, title and content slide, title slide, and none of the above. So whenever we open, what is the default slide? Okay, option A, no, option A is that we need to select. Okay, so when we select the blank, okay, this is the thing that we get, title slide, and we need to add the content. Okay, so whenever we open, in PowerPoint, the objects on the slide used to hold the text that are called as placeholder, text box, text folders, and none of the above. So I did not explain this. Okay, whenever the objects on the slide which hold the content text are called as placeholders. Okay, whenever we can enter text, okay, we can edit text, we can modify text. Okay, so this is a placeholder. So which of the following field effects can be used to fill the background of the slide? Okay, so which effects we can use to change the background, to fill the background of the slide? Which effects we can use? Whenever we are changing, whenever we want to change the background of the PPT slide, which effects we can use? So if you people know the answer, comment in the chat. Okay, Parveen says all of the above. Okay, good, Parveen. We can use all of the options to change, okay, to fill the to change the background color. Okay, so yeah, these are the sample questions that may be asked in the examination about PowerPoint presentation. If you're writing the theory examination of your computer science, okay, term 2 examination of your computer science subject. So what are the different ways in which you can create a new presentation? Right steps. Okay, so the steps are, first we need to open the PowerPoint application, then we can select the blank application. Okay, then we can start making the presentation by adding our content. Okay, so these are the steps. Okay, and how to add a new slide? Just Control+M will add you to a new slide, or go to the outline and right click here, you will get the option to the add to the new slide. Okay, and we can add the content, we can insert images, picture, audios, videos, okay, multiple things. So which tab and command let you insert animation in your slide? Read the steps for applying animation in your presentation. Okay, this is about how we can apply the animations on our computers, on our presentation. Okay, so this is the animation tab. Using this animation tab, we can apply the animation to our text, whatever the text that we want. First, we have to select this thing. Okay, then we can go to the animation and we can apply. Whenever we deselect this one, this will become, okay, inactive. So whenever we select, this will become the active. Okay, So yeah, Raj has recently joined a construction company. Okay, this is the question. Okay, big question. As marketing executive. Okay, Raj, he, not she. Okay. He saw a presentation about the company. Here also he is there. So I changed the name later on. That's why earlier it was some other name. Okay. So he is not satisfying. Okay, fine. So he is however not satisfied with it and wants to make some changes in it. So using your presentation skills, suggest some features to accomplish the following changes. How we can apply the following changes in the presentation. Okay, Raj saw a presentation and it is not satisfied with that presentation in the construction company that he joined. So what are the is he want to first add the logo on the first slide. Okay, so suppose this is our presentation slide. Here we can add a logo here. Like in the practically we have our logo here, no? Here it is the practically logo. So like this way we can add the logo of the Raj company. Okay, this is the first thing. So how to add? Just take a picture and put that place. Okay, we can crop that pictures to a specific size and we can put a particular place, whether on this side or the left bottom or the right bottom, whenever we want. Okay, so add audio to explain the content of the slide. Yeah, we can add the audio also. Okay, here. So how to add the audio? Go to the insert. Okay, here video is also there. If video is available in your computer system, then you can add from this device or you can upload the online video also. Similarly, you can add the audio also. If your audio file, MP3 file, if available on the computer system, you can upload the audio from here, or you can record your audio also using the mic. Where is my cursor? Okay, you can record your audio also and you can record screen also. Whatever the things we are doing here, we can record our own screen also. Okay, using this screen recording. All these options are available in the insert tab. Okay, so connect two slides, connect slide to the slide 7 directly. Yeah, using the hyperlink reference we can connect the one slide with each other. Okay, so we just have to like Control K. Okay, so if we hyperlink, click on this hyperlink, right click it and click on hyperlink. So the hyperlink is available in the HTML now. So in the same way we can collect two slides, two files, multiple things with each other using the hyperlink. Okay, we can collect the existing web page or place in this document also. Okay, you can collect this slide also. So whenever you go to the slide, so when you click on a presentation on, thank you will open. How? We connected a presentation text with the thank you. So first slide we have connected with the last slide. Okay, this is how we can connect two slides with the help of hyperlink. Okay, so yeah, that's it about today's session. Okay, so we will meet in the next session to discuss about what are the functionalities of Microsoft Excel. Okay, so if you enjoy this lecture, do like the practically video, this video, and subscribe to the practically channel. Okay, till then take care, bye bye, see you.